Have you hidden your private conversations on WhatsApp and can't find them? If your locked chats are protected using your phone's fingerprint, Face ID, or screen lock instead of a secret code, you can reveal them in just a few seconds. Follow the steps below to access your hidden conversations safely. Launch the WhatsApp application on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you're on the chat screen where all your conversations are listed. Step 2. From the top of your chat list, swipe down firmly. If locked chats are enabled on your account, a locked chats folder will appear at the top of the screen. This folder stays hidden until you perform this gesture, helping keep your private conversations out of sight. Step 3. Tap the locked chats folder. WhatsApp will ask you to confirm your identity using your device's security method, such as your fingerprint, Face ID, or phone passcode. This extra layer of protection ensures that only you can access these conversations. Step 4. Once authentication is successful, all of your logged chats will become visible. You can read messages, send replies, share media, and continue chatting just as you would with any regular conversation. After you leave the folder, the chats automatically return to their protected state. By following these simple steps, you can quickly locate and access your locked chats while keeping your personal conversations secure and private.